Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sajad Ali and my father name is Siddiq. You can see my presented behind me and I am from Paragon Academy, Badin. Today my topic is science boon or ban. My opinion, science is boon. So because in the past time our forefathers have no facility of transport. In the present time we have car, we have train, we have plane. In the past time our forefathers have no source of air. In the present time we have fan, we have AC and we have heater. And in the past time our forefathers have no medicine. In the present time we have medicine, any problem in our body. So I go towards science as a ban. So the many criminals used weapon and the weapon made by science and the bombs, they use bombs and they kill people. So in my opinion, science is born. And the many people say criminals used to weapon, but the weapon not made for criminals. The weapon made for soldier. So it's in my opinion, science is born in our life. Thank you.